What are you doing, Annie? Are you helping Mommy make macaroni and cheese for dinner?
Yeah.
With the noodles?
Yeah.
The noodles right there?
Yeah.
And the cheese?
Cheese.
Yeah.
2.
What?
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1, 2, 3.